Good. Thank you all. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, maybe effect of weekend, I think. Most people share as well, right? So you guys will celebrate weekends? Boys, no, right? Don't worry, you will get one day, you will celebrate it. 100%. Okay? Jobs, no celebrations. You have to work on weekends. You know that. They will say like that anyway. What day it is? Now, anyway. Sir, did you all downloaded VS Code? Did you all started your first code? Right? Now, how many of you did the first www project, World Wide Web project? Oh, you all got it? What about remaining people? So you thought it like, no, you only teach, I will not do, right? Oh, what, yes, Ray? You should say, no, sir, I will do today. You should not say yes, right? Okay. Now, see, I believe in doing. My point is, it's not like whoever did that, I will give any prizes or something, right? It's all about your responsibility. If you do today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you have to do it anyway. Okay. If you keep all the things later, procrastinate, you can't eat every food, all food one day. Okay. So better to eat every day small, small parts. Right? Okay. So tomorrow is Sunday, sir. You will have an ample of time. So you have to practice the www, whatever we discussed earlier and whatever we are going to discuss today, and you will do it tomorrow. Okay. You all created that. Did you all check that free code camp? Did you remember last I told something? No. You all, no one remembered, right? Did you all remember at least we started Git? Oh, at least let me know what you remember, what not. We will do it now. Now, HTML. Okay, this is what we did, sir. And yesterday I did this www project. Okay. Now, first thing, sir. Many people, when they install Go Live, they will get some problems. Okay. If you get any problem, let me know. What are the solutions for your problems? First one, you can go to the extensions in live server, check it in this extension settings. You will get it. Almost every problem you get will be here only. Try to check it each and everything. You will get it. Okay. For example, if it is not showing inside the down status bar, it will be here. What browser to root, it will be here. Everything. Now, change your default browser setting also to Google Chrome so that every time it will open in whatever the browser you use. It's not mandatory Google Chrome. Now, for some people, what it will happen, it will do the live server, but it will not directly open in the Google Chrome. Okay, for time sake, now what you do, now directly go to the Google, you only type localhost 5500. That's where it will run. Okay. Later we will do exactly one session. In that I will go with each and everything of live server. Okay. Now, okay, sir. Let me run it, my live server. Okay, someone did just copied and paste and I hate it. Because whatever the code I gave www, it's hardly 20-30 lines, right? And you have the code. See, if you go to www, not www only, any website, I told you, if you go here, www project, World Wide Web project. Now, if I go here, sir, it is difficult for me to do this code. If you press Control U, you will get the code also, right? You press Control U or you right click, and if you see the view source, view page source, you will get it. If you go with inspect, you will get line by line, whatever you selected also. Okay. I I'm not saying you to create something. I'm saying you to do it. Okay. The more you do, there will be some kind of thing. See, anything, if you do programming or any skill, comes with some simple practice. Why it is like this? See, when you are going your home, you will not think which direction you have to go. Your legs automatically will go, right or not? When you are doing some work, for example, if you are a typist, every day you are typing. After a particular point, you don't need to see anything. You don't need to remember anything. While having coffee, while having a discussion with your person, and still you will just type. Involuntarily, those things will happen, right? That reflexive things will come if you practice. Okay. So just have a practice. Even if you have the code, someone gave you the solution, just see it and type it. No copy paste. Okay. Now, okay. Now, sir, what if my live server is not giving me live updates? For some people, it will not do. Why? Because auto save is not there for them. You have to click here, auto save. See here. Now my live server will not do show the updates because I have to save my file to show the live server update. Okay. Now, if I do this auto save click, automatically, whenever I'm typing, automatically it will save. Now my live server will take the saved document and I will get it in screen. Clear, ma? Any doubts? No. Okay. Let's discuss some more interesting things in the HTML and move into Git. Okay. Last ones can able to see. Anyway, empty benches are empty chairs are there, na? You can come, friend, na? Can't see. You are the last guy, Ray. You can come, friend, right? You are just telling the other people to move forward. So, sir, how I did this half screen? Take anything, any window you like. See, for example, if I take this window, select it, left click mouse so that it will get selected, and then try to go with your mouse. Now here you can able to put wherever you want it. If you go top, you can see this. Okay. And there will be window shortcuts also. I think I'm not going with any keyboard shortcuts. I'm going with mouse. Now, anyway, sir, let me type it. Oh, now this is my project live server. Now, sir, till now what we discussed is, sir, we know what are elements and what are tags. Do you all know that? Elements, tags. Raise your hand. How many of you know elements and tags difference? Hey, what about remaining people? Do you don't know or are you not confident? If you are not confident at this stage, what is that telling? Be confident. Okay. This is not interview, right? Uh, you just raise your hand and I will ask you. If you say something, will I scold? No, obviously. I will say again, repeat it. That's it. Now, anyway, let me repeat it myself. Sir, elements means open tag and some content and some close tag will combinedly call it as element. Like HTML element, HTML open, something in HTML, whatever you write it, and HTML close. Head element, head open tag, something in the head, and then head close. Same thing body, same thing H1, same thing P, right? Those are elements, sir. Now tag means open or close. Now, sir, interesting point is some elements, some tags, HTML tags, don't have any closings. What are they called? Self-closing tags. What are they called? Can anyone give me example for self-closing tags? BR tag, which is for brake, sir, and HR tag, which are horizontal line, right? Any doubts in this? No, absolutely. Now, I have one question, sir. Now see, I will write here one anchor tag. Now here I will write something with an anchor tag. Now what will happen? Something came, right? Right? Ha. Now let me ask you this question. Now what if here if I write another anchor tag, will the new anchor tag will come side of the anchor tag or the next line? Oh, you guys are already good, eh? Why side? Is break is not there. Now, for example, instead of anchor tags, if you write paragraphs, two paragraphs, will they come side by side or next line? See, sir, paragraph element is coming in next line, sir. But anchor elements are coming side by side, sir. Right or not? Why? Ah. Now, sir, there is one nice property, sir, called there is one property called inline elements versus block elements. Now, in your HTML, some elements are called block elements, some elements are called inline elements. What are they? Block and inline. Block and some people are not even opening their mouth. It's like the school pledge. If you not open mouth, I can know that. Then I will make you the judge. You have to come here and speak. Okay? At least blabber something. Okay? Now, inline and I'm just kidding. Okay? If you want to relax, relax. No problem. Now, anyway, sir. So simple line, sir. While going into the more and more of HTML and CSS, you will understand more depth what is inline and what is block. But basically, the first line goes here like this. Block elements do not do not allow any elements beside them. Okay, inline elements allow other elements beside them. Actually block elements and inline elements have so many differences. When we started CSS, you will understand more differences. But till now, mainly you should understand this. It's like block and inline. These two people are there. The block guy will not allow any person to sit beside them. So if someone came, they should sit next to him. They should not sit beside him. But inline are not like that. Even though a guy wants to sit next or back, he will make it always next to him only. Okay. Now let me show it here. That is not black elements. That is block elements. Okay. And we should not go with color wise anyway. Now here, see sir. Now here, if I write a paragraph, see, before this anchor element, I'm keeping one paragraph. Paragraph. Now where this paragraph came? Up, right or not? But I wrote paragraph side by anchor, na? I put the anchor tag and paragraph side by side, right? But paragraph will not allow anchor tag to come side. Okay. But what if anchor tag here? Now beside this, I put one paragraph. Now also, paragraph don't want any other element left or right. Anchor tag is okay. Anchor tag is okay. If you want, you can sit it. But still, paragraph will always go with new line. Okay? Left or right. Clear, ma? Now, but for example, if anchor tag beside and another anchor tag came, then they are okay. Then the first anchor tag will say, you can sit here. You can stay beside me. But they are okay now. But I want to separate them. How can I make the second anchor tag new line? BR. Very good. Whenever you want them to separate, you will go with this. But if you don't separate, automatically they will sit side by side. Okay. And there are some elements, sir. There are some elements like this anchor tag. These are called inline elements. In line. In name itself, it will tell, right or not? Block means always separate. Now, you all wrote H1 to H6 program, na? In that H1, H2, H3, all come in new line or same line? And everything will have top some space, bottom some space. So they are block elements, sir. They are block elements. So they always wants new line. If I write H1 and H3 side by side also, they wants new line. Okay. But if I put, see, anchor tag, I put in middle of the paragraph. Wherever anchor tag goes, anchor tag will adjust. Whoever comes beside them also, anchor tag will adjust. But if I put a paragraph inside another paragraph, it will break. Because the middle paragraph don't wants to sit with the parent paragraph. Are you clear my point? Is everyone clear, ma? Yeah. Now, one more thing, if you understand basic applications, you can able to do. Now, sir, you put the links, you put the headings, you put the paragraphs. You may style it using strong or strong or bold or em or I or underline or strike, delete. Did you remember this all? Remember, right? Now, sir, what if I want to put one image? Oh, you guys know that image tag. Very good. Now, see, where are you learning, guys? Actually, okay, some people are already learning. That's good. Now, anyway, let me show. If I go here, Netflix. Now, I think in first day or second day, I showed how to take images, right? Now, I just want to see how they placed images. I will go here. I will inspect. Now, see, somewhere here, this image, unicorn something. Now, see, sir, where are the images? In IMG tag, sir. They put one HTML element called IMG. And inside that, they put source. Now, let me take this. I want this image. I will take this link, sir. Because in this link, your image will be there. You can take it the link directly from Google also. I will show you. Or you can put your own URL also. No worries. Now, today you will learn some new things. That is good. Now, selecting it, keeping it side. Everyone can able to see the two screens, right? Just I want to show you immediately what will happen. That's why I'm putting the two screens. When you do it, you can do it however you want it. Okay, ma? Now, come here. Write IMG tag. IMG. How do you write it, sir? IMG. Sir, IMG tag is a self-closing tag. IMG class is a, what does it mean by self-closing? No, no, close. Very good. There is no need to close. And IMG is a inline, sir. IMG is a, so what does that mean? Side. It can come side. If after IMG or before IMG something is there, it will be side side. Now that is nice, sir. Now, any image came, how it will come? You have to tell which image, na? Source. If you give anchor tag, sir, if you did not give href, it will not do become anchor tag, right or not? Same way, sir, image if you give, you should give source, sir. SRC. SRC means source. What is your source? My source, I gave one link. Now see that came side, na? Why? Why it came side? Inline. Very good. Now I don't want side. I will keep break. Okay? I will keep one more break to look good. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt? Not at all. Good. Now, let me keep any more images. Images, Google. Go to Google, sir. In Google, you can take any images, sir. Uh, Let me take this one. Now, site, right click. Here, You can see copy image address, right or not? I'm copying my image address, going here. Now here, I don't want this Netflix wala. Control V. Now go here and it will come. Now see, sir, but how is it? It came something big, na? Sir, images, if you give normally source, however, how much height they are, how much width they are in actual image, it will come like that only. Netflix images already they adjusted it. So that's why it came like that. But for this, they did not adjust. So it came with that height and width only. I will adjust it. Now, sir, now my question is so simple. Okay, where is my code? See, now what if I just change the link? See, I just change the link. Will it come? Why? Because link is wrong. In that link, image is not there. But it is not showing anything, na? So just to do that, you will put always alt. What is that? Alt. Alt in that I will give something image alternative. Now what will happen, sir? See, you may see in this kind of images everywhere. For the people who used 2G, did you guys ever use 2G phones? Really? In fourth class? Oh, you must have used it. Okay. Now, when you used your 2G mobile, sir, internet taking so much time to load the images, first images will come something like this. Then slowly they will load the full images. Why? Because if your image is not loading, then by default it will give you an image icon and it will give you some name. And what is that name? You have to define with something called alt. Alt means alternative. Alt means alt will work only if your image is not working. For example, now I will make my image work. Now alternative is useless. Anyway, my image is coming. Right? Is it clear, ma? Everyone clear? Now, sir, these are attributes, sir. Yesterday only I told you. For anchor tag, you have source href attribute, target attribute, title attribute, right? Same way, sir. Here, src attribute and alt attribute. What are they? Src and last time I'm saying it. Some people are not at all participating. Okay, participate in something, right? Okay, or wake up now. Now see, sir. SRC is over. ALT is over. Now next one. Sir, I want to give some more attributes like height. I am giving it. See, height 100. Now what will happen? Its height became 100. Can you see that? If I give width 500, now what will happen? Width increased. Sir, you can adjust an image height, width, and at the same time image value link will be given with something called SRC. If that SRC is not working, it will go for ALT. Four things, sir. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? What you have to remember always, image is a inline tag, inline element, and image is a self closing, no closings. Clear? Now, sir, I don't want to give any link. I have one image in my device. I want to use that only. You can download it. Now, let me go. Let me download one image. Now, let me download this. I'm just downloading. Save image as Meesho. I'm saving it in download, sir. Now, let's go to here and open my downloads. Where is downloads? Inside the downloads, Meesho is there. I'm just dragging and drop. Take this, drag and drop. Who is that one arrested? Don't bring cops into class, seriously. One time I got frightened. Seriously, you scared me. Now, okay. Now next one. Next one. See it, sir. Now I have one image, sir, named Misho. Now let me put that image here. I will take another image tag here. IMG inside the SRC. Dot means very good. Dot means current directory. Inside the current directory, I have one image Misho. Now that Misho will come. Any doubts? Now one more interesting thing I will tell you, sir. Sir, basically, here, see, here you may think it like whenever you see this one in the short form, you may think it both Superman and the Misho are coming in two different lines. But actually, they both will come in same line because images are in line. Very good. Even after the one image or anything, whatever it is, it will come it in the same line. Where it is? Or why it is not coming? Ah, okay. Clear, ma? Sir, you can download an image and you can keep it, or you can directly write an image, giving giving the link. You can adjust its height. You can adjust it with width. In case the link is not working, you can give some alternative text also. Any doubts in the images, ma? Everyone clear? Doubt? Now, now this Superman Misho, this website I want it live, sir. Today we will discuss now interesting thing called live. So from today onwards, every day you have to do this so that whatever projects you do, you have to make that into live website and you should give me the link. Okay. Now let me show you how to I make it into live website. First, sir, go to your internet, download something called Git. What is that? Not GitHub, Git download. Git. Here Windows it will show, sir. And here it will show 64-bit Windows setup. Download it. Okay. And see, we did two images, ma. I hope everyone clear with images, right? Any doubts in the images? Now try to put it as many as images you want until you are clarified. Okay. Now, after this, okay, I downloaded one part, sir. Let me see what it is. See, Git here, it is downloaded. Just double click on it. Automatically it will. Now it is asking me Windows. I just clicked on it. Yes. First, it will ask you permission. Yes or no. Yes. You all know how to install a software in your application, in your system, right? For the people who don't know, also, I'm just giving it. You can just click next, next, next. Okay. Now see, sir, here. Next, next. Okay, just a minute. Here, you have to select it, sir. Here, it will show you so many options. Select Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Okay. Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Now, next, sir. Next, 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 next. See, all I did is next, next, next only. And it will install, sir, automatically. Did anyone download and install yesterday? Very good. Yesterday at the end, I told you this. There will be always one person who raises the friend's hand, right? It's like the God did not give you hands only. Why, Ray? Why you always involve your friends? Seriously, because of people like you, my life also traumatized. My friends always say my name only when sir says something. Very bad. That is a crime according to it. Where is that police guy? Catch him first. Okay. Now, anyway, sir, let him finish. Yeah. Okay. Now, Sir, Git is installed. But how do I know that whether it is correctly installed or not? Command prompt. Very good. Go to here, sir. Click on CMD. Right here, git dash v. Any application when you install, if you write dash v, sir, its version which is installed will come. Now, any doubt, ma? Now, version 2.43.0 is installed in my system. I want you guys to also check something like that. Okay. Sir, if by mistake GitHub desktop installed, no problem. Nothing will happen. Install Git first. Okay. Git also install it. Kuch nahi hota. Everyone installed? Yeah. Then next, sir, you have to create in command prompt. How to check it? Go to CMD and then git space dash v. Online, I will give you the command in the chart. No worries. Offline can remember that 2 lines. No worries. You can write it. Now, sir, after installing, you have to create one GitHub account, sir. Yesterday, I think I told you what is Git basically, right? Sir, what is Git? Version control system. Git is a version control system. To say it in depth, it is a distributed version control system. Yesterday, I told you now there are two version control systems, sir. One is centralized, one is distributed. And I told example also. Did you remember? Centralized is like in our childhood, we used to give the notes, right? In that way, every developer will give their complete code to the central repository. But in distributed, they will give only copy. Okay? Yeah, it's like that. Now, sir, Git is in your system, some software is there. Now, Git software work is there. Git is what it will do, it will check what you are updating, what you are changing, whether you are changing something or not. Everything it will check. Where in your system only, because you installed. Okay. But I want something cloud, sir. For example, if you want to share a movie with me, how you will share your movie to your friends? Huh? Hey, except that share files and all. Something people will use something called Google Drive. You know that? We will share, we will upload into Google Drive, we will share the link na. Not share it and all. They are not secure. If you want to send it to your friend, instead of Telegram, you will use the link. And that link people will open and they can able to see it directly, right? Same way, sir, I want to push my code into somewhere, some link. And I want you to see that link. Sir, I can push it into Google Cloud, Google Drive also. You can see it. But developers will have one platform. All developers will have a one cloud platform. In that only every developer will push. There you can see the code. Okay. So it is just one cloud platform, one website where people will just store the files and share the files. Okay. Google Drive and GitHub are actually same, but Google Drive is for generally everyone will use for every purpose. GitHub people use it for code purposes only. Okay. Now that is GitHub, sir. Git is one software in your system. GitHub is one website where you will just store the things. Now let me create GitHub account. I already have GitHub account. Don't worry. Now I will show you how to create it. Let's go here. Let's go here. And this is GitHub official website, sir. GitHub.com. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. Now here you know that sign up, sign in, right? What does it mean by sign up? Registration. Very good. Register. You don't need to sign anywhere. Now see, sir, here they are asking email. Okay, I think most boys know this. Raise your hand, boys, if you know temp mail. Temp mail. Only 4 people know that. Okay, sir. Now only the legends will know this then. Now the point is, okay, sir, if you go to one website, when you are signing up, whenever you are signing it up, you will give your email ID, right? Now later those people will send so many promotional emails and all. It will waste your time, right? You have to go and delete the emails, waste of the things. For that, you can have your temporary email, sir. This is educational purposes. Okay. Everyone I'm saying it, you should not misuse it. Okay. Temporary emails are non-trackable. So you should not use this for wrong purposes. Okay. Now I can track you. Now if it is not okay. Now anyway, let me type it, sir. Temp mail. If you type it, sir, you will get some disposable temporary mails. That means they will give you one email ID which only you will have it for some particular time. Whenever you want, you can crush that email. Okay. And you can have all the messages also. Okay. Forget about ads. I'm not that. Now, here I'm going this copy, sir. Copy this. And here I am giving that email. Now GitHub will send OTP to that email so that I can use it. You understand my procedure, right? You all will use it for educational purposes, right? Hey, police is there. Seriously. Now, next one. I'm just okay. Now, continue. Now, the reason why I'm showing you simple procedure like this also is because of this username only. GitHub have a bug like you cannot change username once you create it. Like when you create Insta, you will give whatever the names you wanted, right? Yeah, Priya Angel or something, boy, great, and something. You should not change. You can change it in Insta, Snap. But here, GitHub, once you create a username, you cannot change that username. So you have to be conscious when you are giving names. Uh, it is available, happy. Or let me check it something more good. Not available. Huh. Now, continue. Receive occasional updates. No problem. Anyway, this is for temp mail only will receive, na? Okay. Now puzzles will give, sir. Some puzzles they will give. Why they did not give any puzzle here? Huh? Usually they will give here only. Yes. I have to show it to the finger side direction. Okay, very bad. Now, sir, it will give some puzzles, sir. It's like the captcha. You know that, right? Is it right, right, right? Huh. Okay. Create an account. Enter code. Obviously, my email. This is my email, na. This one will get the OTP. Okay. Did you understand it, right? Ah, the moment you don't want it, if you click on delete here, that account will be deleted and you can't access it anymore. That email itself will be deleted. Okay. Education. Okay. Now, anyway, you can give whatever the things. These all are not necessary. Go with free only. Sir, this is your home page, sir, if you create. Okay. Sir, there is nothing like explaining about temp mails. When you open the temp mail, you will get the mail. Copy there and paste it anywhere you want. Okay. It will be workable. Okay. Unless or until you cancel this one, it will be same. If I close it and open, because incognito will not store the history and all. So I may get the new one. If it is normal Google Chrome, I may get the same one. Okay. Now, anyway, sir, this is your basic GitHub, sir. Understand? Now, what I told you, GitHub is a place, sir, where you will store your programs, right or not? Normally, where you will put your files in folders, right? Right or not? Similarly, in GitHub, you will put it inside repositories. Inside repository. Sir, repository is like a folder, sir. Repository is like a folder. Now, let me create one repository, sir, here. Repository. And you can give one name, sir, here, repository name. Let me give one name, anything, HTML. Now, it has to be, it will show you two things, public or private. Go with public so that anyone can see your program. Okay. Now, go down here and click repository. That's it, sir. For you, new repository will be created. In this, you can put your code. Any doubts in it? Any doubts in it? Everyone clear, ma? Now, after this, sir, after this, let me go to my official GitHub site. And in that, I will create one repository. Now, same. This is also same like that only. Okay. Now, in this, I will create a new repository, sir. HTML2. It's like the 2 p.m. I will go with HTML 2 p.m. Now, this is my repository name. And I created an empty repository. I created an empty repository. Till now, any doubts? Till now, any doubts, ma? Very good. Now, after this, now go here, go to your VS Code. Till now, whatever I did, let me repeat it once. First one, download and install Git. Download and install Git. Then check Git version. Check Git version. How do you check it, sir? Git dash v. Git dash v. So that version will check, sir. Second, go to github.com and go to github.com and create an account. Go to github.com and create an account. Now, after creating account, sir, create one repository. Repository means like a folder only. Create one repository, sir. Okay. In GitHub. That's it, sir. Till now, these are the things I did. Any doubts? Everyone can try these things, right? Yeah. Try it. You will 100% get it. Okay. Now, next step. Now onwards, every step you have to remember. And if you understand these things, you can rock the Git. How much easy it is. Now, sir, things are ready. Now I have Git. I have GitHub. Now I have to see how the Git works. I have to push how my code should be pushed into GitHub. These are the things I have to think about. Now, first thing. Now, steps. Go to terminal in your VS Code and go to specific path of folder. When you are downloading it for Git, you can download for 64-bit or 32-bit. If your system is having 64-bit, download 64 only. Okay. If you download any software, you will understand what is 64-bit and 32. Simple, na? Huh. Now, anyway, sir, what is the first step? Going here. Now, see, can you see on the top, ma? File, edit, selection, view, go. Now, here 3 dots. Now, for you, it will show you completely. Now, for me, 3 dots are coming. For you, how it will come, you know? It will come like this. Sorry, not this. It will come something here. Terminal also will come. If it is not coming also, you can check it. Terminal will be there. And click on new terminal. We did it Linux commands. We did in this only, na? Terminal. Now inside the terminal, check are you in the same directory or not. Now see sir, I am in folder named HTML. Am I in the same folder here? Yes. Is my files are in this folder only? Yes. I have to check that. That is my first step. Okay. Now for second step onwards, you don't need to remember. When you create one repository in GitHub, it will show you. See, I created GitHub now. Now it will show me commands. Can you see these commands, ma? It will only tell you what is the first command it is saying it. Let me zoom it. Now see, sir, first one is git init. Git init. This is the first command, sir. Git init. Let me go here and type it first command, everyone. Git. Now left side also see, left side index.html and all, nothing is there, na? Now I want you to observe, sir, when I write git init, what changes will happen, you have to tell me. Okay? What changes happened, I want you to tell me. Git init. Now something happened. What is that? Huh? What I got? You I got. I got you na? Sir, you means untracked. Now that means git started now. Git started. This git guy started now. He said like I'm started. I want to check the files. Till now these files I am not tracking anything. Untracked. Right or not? Till now no one tracked my files. Now next one. Go here. What is the first line? Git. 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 No, some people are not speaking. Again, git. I can go to directly army only because of you guys. Why? Sound. Now after this, sir, git add. Git add. Now, sir, now this git guy is ready. He's saying like, I want to check. Till now, I did not check anything. You tell me what to check. Now I'm saying it. What file to check? Git add. If I say index.html, now only index.html he will check it. See, when I type index.html, what happened? What happened? A means added. A means added. Because I add only index.html. Na? Now, sir, what if I want to add everything? You can give one name, or in my folder, so many are there. Then I will write it like git add dot. Git add dot means then in current directory, all files will be included. Okay? Git add dot. Now all are A. Can you see it? If you give one file name, only that file name will be added, sir. Again, first one git init. Git init will start the git, which is initialization of git. Second, git add. You have to specify which file to add it. Okay? Clear, ma? Any doubts in it? Till now clear? Now next one. Now, first step, here only it will show you, sir. First step, what it shows? It shows git init. Second step, git add. Third step, it is showing me git commit. Git commit. Okay? You all understood, right? Yeah. So Git is like, initially Git guy don't know anything. He's just started. Now in the ad, he finds whom to talk or whom to track. Now Git is committing to that persons. Let me write commit. Git commit. Sir, commit is the last command, sir. Commit means after you write the whole program, then you will commit it. Okay? That means I'm saying it. I don't want to do any other thing. This is final. Okay? Git commit. Whenever you are finalizing, whenever you are committing, what you will do, guys? You will give one message now. Whenever you are committing. Boys, you do that, right? Same way, here we will do git commit one message I am giving it. Okay. Now, here, let me give one message, sir. Here I can write anything. Let me give you a message like Bahubali. You can give whatever you want message. But if I give Bahubali, what the problem is, when my manager checks my code, okay, I changed button and I gave commit as Bahubali, he won't understand what I did. Okay. So if I write every time when I'm committing, if I said button changed, background changed, then he will understand, okay, this guy did some changes. What he changed based on message, he will understand it. Okay. Now, but whatever you do, it's not error. Anyway. Next. Committed, sir. Ho gaya. Only three things. Ho gaya work. Now, everyone, let me write it first. What are the first steps, sir, after going here? First step. What is the first step? Git init. It will start the git, sir. Start the git in the folder. Second one, git add. Here you can write one file name, sir, or you can put git add dot. Git add. Why you put a dot? Current directory. All files will come. Now third one, sir. Now third one. Is online voice is breaking. Now third one, sir. Git commit m. Some message, sir. Something you can write any message. I will write message as message only in quotation marks. Right? Now let's see the work of git, sir. Actually, here I will go here now. Now here something is there, right? I will change it. Now something I am removing it. See guys, what will happen? Observe it. What is happening? Observe it. Now I am just removing this I. Now I removed. What happened here? Now check it. What happened? Left side something happened. What is that? M came. M means it is saying it modified. M means modified. That means my Git is saying that you modified the previous code. How it will know my previous code then? Because it is tracking me. Version control system, previous version and present version, it will check always. Are you understanding it, ma? The moment you did the change, it will tell you changed something from the previous. Okay? To track that, we use Git. Now, anyway, if you do this, sir, if you modify what you have to do, again you have to do from starting. First, let me clear. Again, you don't need to write git init, but again, git add dot. Again, git commit. You can give any message you want. Whatever it is. Now see, sir, here it is committed. So, sir, Git is tracking your code. Git is tracking your code. The moment you made the change, it will understand you are making some change. What that is the purpose of Git. If someone asks you what is that Git, Git is a version control system. It will keep track of your code versions, right? When you change it, it will tell you made a change. Till now, any doubts, ma? Now I want to see this code in GitHub, na. I want to push it into cloud. Now it is over. Git is over. Only GitHub I want to push. Let me go to my code. Now let's push it, sir. Huh? Okay, sir. Arre. Seriously. Now, just if you are not able to remember those things also, just try it one time. You will remember it for lifetime. Okay. Now, sir, I am going into my repository here. In this repository, I am copying this code. I am copying this code. See? Or here one code will be there. Let me copy this file. Now, go here. Now, let's write it, sir, one by one. While I'm typing git command, it shows authority. Very good. Someone asked it. Like Anu asked one question. Sir, it is very important. First time when you do, I forgot it. First time when you are committing, sir, for first time, First time, it will ask you, to authorize. Why? Because, sir, whom you are pushing, maybe you are pushing into my GitHub account, I am pushing into your GitHub account. How it will do, right? So first it will ask you, how do you do that, sir? Now you have to write one commands. It will show you, don't worry. When you get error, in that error only it will show you. I think for Anu it will show git config dash dash global user dot email. Here you have to give your email ID, sir. Which email ID you connected with your GitHub? You have to give git config space dash dash global user dot email, your email ID you have to give. And same thing, after this, git config user dot name, and then you have to give username. This is your GitHub username and GitHub ones. Okay, don't give Insta ones. Now it will work only if you give for Git ones. GitHub. Clear, ma? I'm confused. Now, no worries. See, no worries. I'm not saying it like in first day only you will do, you will get everything. My point is try it. Then you will get errors. Come with errors. We will try those things. Again, like in 2-3 classes, it will be done, na? Right or not? I'm not saying you to in first day only push the things and tomorrow we'll build Amazon. It not work like that way. Okay. Any doubts, my here? You will give here. Now, one more thing. After giving it also, here, see, can you see this place? See this place here. My account is there. Can you see here, ma? Now here, if I'm going, it will show my account. This is my GitHub account. I already signed in. For you, what will happen? For you, sign in will come. Okay? Because I signed in, sign out is coming. For you, sign in will come. What you will do? You click on the sign in. It will go to your Google Chrome and it will only automatically authorize. Okay? These two things, why these two things are there? It will connect your VS Code with that GitHub account. Okay? Clear, ma? You have to do this too. After doing this, now I am pushing my code, sir. How to make link between this VS Code, this folder, that repository. You will write it, git remote add origin and the link of the file which you copy. Okay, sorry, not this. I will go to this repository. I will take this link. I'm taking this link, sir. I'm taking this link and pasting it here. Sir, if it is difficult for you to remember, no worries. I told you na GitHub will give you all comments. Till now, all comments are in GitHub, right? Same way, see. Till now, whatever the commands I typed, git init is here only, git add is here only, git commit is here only. Same way, git this one is there, na git remote. Git remote, can you see, ma? Take this also, Control C. I'm taking directly. You don't need to worry. Directly copy. Now, paste it, sir. Any doubt, ma? Any doubts? Is it clear, everyone? Now enter. Yes, obviously, if anyone get any errors ma online, please give me the tell me that errors in the comments. Copy and paste it. Now after this, sir, after doing this, go to GitHub. See here, next one push. Let me write it here. Push git push. Push means I'm pushing my code. Push dash u. U means upstream. D means downstream. I'm putting upstream. The push into origin. Now see, sir. If you check here, you will get your branch. My branch is main branch. Okay. For you, you will get some master or something. Okay. After you signed in, you will get it main or master, whatever you get it here. Type it. I will tell you what are branches and all. Slowly we will go deep. No worries. Now here main. That's it. Enter. Only 5 commands, sir. Git 3 commands, GitHub 2 commands. And then if I go here in the internet, if I refresh it, whole my code will be here. See, sir, the Meesho image and whatever I did it now. Can you see it, ma? Any doubts? Now see here, Bahubali or something is coming, right? Huh? What? Deva? Devara. Varan. I'm thinking like, why? What is Deva? What? I'm some technology I'm thinking, Ray. Okay, anyway. Now, sir, here the names are not necessary, Ray. All I want to show you is whatever the commit message you gave, that commit message will come here, ma. Okay? The commit messages will come here. Now, this code, anyone, see, from today onwards, every day you can see our code in this GitHub repository. Now I'm writing this GitHub repository. You can make it note down. Online also I'm sharing it. Every day I will put the code in this one only. Now, for you guys also, I'm giving the link. Just a minute. Now see this, ma. This is the link. Till end of your course, every day in this link only you will have. If you type in internet, you will get it normally. Because mine is public folder only. I want you also create like that one folder repository. Just now only I showed na. Clear? Yeah. Now after git config, fourth step is get remote add origin link, and then fifth step is git push. Main. That's it, sir. If you do it, you will get the link of your GitHub. Someone not able to do it, sir. It's showing sign in to Google continue GitHub. Yes, that is for someone. It is correct only, ma. I think if it is showing it for you, sign in, sign in. Okay, something Kavyashree, sign in, ma. It will connect it because it has to know that na link not copying, sir. Array, if it is not copying, then type it, Ray. Can we go with temp mail? No, don't see. I showed with temp mail creating GitHub. Don't create with temp mail. Why? Because is if once VS Code is connected with your temp mail, again it will be lot of procedure to remove that mail and go with another GitHub account. Go with one official GitHub. One, even if you go for job interviews, they will ask your GitHub account. That's why I told you have to create something nice one. Mad people. Now, okay. Now, छोड़ दो रे हो गया. Now, okay. I met that guy also. I told you, right? Yeah. Now, see, sir, if you create once an account, that account username, you can't change it. Create something official and connect to your VS Code. Okay. So don't create with temp mail. Temp mail I just showed because I don't want to create with my email ID another GitHub. Okay. Now, any more showing this error. The term git, see, this error, if it is showing the term git is not recognized. Let me copy everyone's errors. Now let's try what errors people will get it. First error. If you are getting error like this, term git, that means you did not install the git. Git is not installed properly. Install it again, git. Okay. While you are installing it, while installing, it will ask you. Oh, hey, I think net is there. Okay. While installing it, sir, it will ask you default code editor. Default uh, Git code editor. Git code editor. Give VS Code. If you give VS Code as a default VS Code editor, it will work. Okay. It's not showing the link only. It's not showing the link. Okay, very good. Now, next one, sir. Okay, okay. Now, any more errors you are getting? Any other person's errors are coming? Term git, it's not showing. Okay, sir, always go with this. It will ask your mail to sign in. Okay, you have to give git config dash dash global. If you give this all exactly, you will not get any error. 100% it will work. Now, any other? No. You can go with your personal email, sir. Okay, sir. In Mac OS, Git is supported, but it will go with differently. Mac OS. Now, if you go here, Git download. Where is Git? Now let me write it here. Git download for Windows. Now if I click on this, now here it will show me Mac OS. You should download with Mac OS one. Mac OS procedure is different, sir. Anyone here with Mac OS? Apple? No, no. Now online, whoever is there, use this procedure. You have to go with Homebrew. Okay. I can't show the procedure now actually. But you can follow the YouTube. It will be easy only. You have to go with Homebrew. Yeah. Now next one. Now push your code into GitHub, sir. Till now, any doubts? No. Now let's move into the next. Now let's go here, sir. Now, seems some work is there. Chhod do. Now, different people will have different works. Now, sir, let's discuss some more things in the code and then we'll push all. Now, now I will do some more changes and push it again. Where is my code? Yeah. Now, sir, go here. Sir, you know how to put your image, how to put anchor tag, right? Right now? Now let me put some more nice things. Now, I think I showed you symbols and emojis, right? Yesterday only. Good. Now, sir, with anchor tag, you can put PDFs also, sir. Now let me put some PDF here. Instead of this, I will go with the full only. Sir, see here. Now everyone see here. In the anchor tag, I'm just writing it. Something my PDF. My PDF. You can write anything. Now go here, sir. It is modified. That means Git is tracking my code. Right or not? Now let me go put some PDFs here. Any PDFs folder. Some kind of portfolios. Now let's go here. Now, sir, I just put the some PDF, whatever we have. Now here, put the link, sir. Normally href means you will give some other link, na? Href means you will give somewhere URL, right or not? Sir, you can give same way here all normal links also, sir. See, same like how you give it for images. Now I will go here, and if I write here, where is this my PDF? And if I click on this my PDF, and the PDF will open. Clear, ma? And you can make that PDF open in new tab also. How to make it open in new tab? Target, blank, underscore blank. Very good. Now go here again. Sir, this time I want this PDF not open. I want the PDF to download. I will put here download. One more flag, sir. You don't need to give any value. Just put download. Just put download. Sir, Monday classroom will be created and will be given to all, and the notes will be uploaded to the classroom Monday. Okay. Now, if I click on this my PDF, you know what will happen? Download it. You may go to so many websites. When you click on it, automatically it will download. So simple. They just put the anchor tag with the download option. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? No. Now, two more things before we go off. Now, so simple, sir. Now, sir, what if I put, everyone, what if I put my number or my email ID? Okay. Now, I won't put my email ID number, don't worry. Now, if I give my email ID here, let me give something abc@gmail.com. Now, if someone clicks on it, it should directly go to mail and it should send mail to abc@gmail.com. Okay. Now, here, let me write it here. Mail to Prasad. Now, I will write it here. Inside this, I will write HREF. In the HREF, understand HREF what I'm doing. Mail to colon. Here you can give whatever the mail ID you like. Now, abc@gmail.com. Now, if I go to my website, what will happen? See, here mail to Prasad came na. If someone clicks on this mail to Prasad, automatically it will open one email. See, which is sending to mail abc@gmail.com. Did you understand, ma? Now, again, let me repeat it for you. Now, see, sir, if I'm clicking this mail to Prasad, it is opening the mail and it is automatically ready to send to abc@gmail.com. Why? Because at the back end, for this mail to Prasad, I put mail to abc@gmail.com. Okay. In your application, you will put your email ID. So automatically when someone clicks on it, automatically it will send it to your mail. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt? Is it clear till now? Now, same way, what if I put some button and someone call it, I will get the call. You may see it in some websites, sir. When you click on some contact, automatically in your phone keypad, it will open your phone and it will open in the keypad, the number will come automatically copied, right? Ready to call. That option also will be done with anchor tags only. Anchor tags are the only option we will use going from one place to another place for navigations. Okay. Now inside the anchor tag, sir. Now here I can write it something. Call to me. You can write anything, right? You don't need to write mail to Prasad only there. It's your wish. Now for calling, you will write tel, T-E-L. For mail, you will write mail to. For mail, you will write mail to. For calling, you will write TEL, which is tel. Clear, ma? Now inside this, give me some number. Now if I go here, now call to me. If I click on this, it is asking me to open an app. If it is your phone, dialer will open automatically. Anyway, now I will push this code na. You can able to see it in Git na. Then you can click on it. Okay. Till now any doubts, ma? Till now any doubts? Online any doubts? How to open a new tab? If someone is getting an error, readme git add readme.emd. Sir, I don't see someone added a git add readme.md. Don't use that because we didn't have readmd. Write git add dot. I will send all these commands, sir. I will put this all commands also. our textual file, whatever we are having it. I will put here git.txt. Now, whoever sees this one in the GitHub, sir, can check it in this only. Exactly, commands also. Now, let us push this code. Let's push this code again into GitHub, sir. Now, it is not in Git now, right? See my Git. If you see my GitHub, sir, here, my GitHub, inside the GitHub, only index, Misho, and www are there, right? Now, it is 25 minutes updated ago. Now, go here, write again. What to do, right, sir? First command. What is first command? Actually, git init is used for only the first time. Second commands, no need. But I'm just writing it for you guys. It will show me no errors. Now, git add. Git add. Dot. Git add. Dot. Dot is for all files, sir. Dot is for. Now, git commit. Some message. Now, message. You can write anything. Sir, when you do this first time, it will ask you config values. You should write git config values also. Okay. Your username and mail ID. You have to sign up also. That's it. Then after this, oh gaya. Now git push. First time only you need to write the git remote add and all. After link is done, directly you can go to fifth step, which is git push. Git push u origin main. Now if it is pushed, sir, go here, check it. Now see, it is pushed. Just now only pushed and it is changed as message. Can you see it, ma? Now I can able to understand who changed my code and what purpose they made the change. Okay. These are the uses of Git and GitHub. Any doubts? Now someone is getting errors. The term Git is not recognized error. Meghna Reddy, you are getting it because Git is not installed properly. Install it again. This is very bad. Now, why re? I will remove that girl. Can I remove this person? No, I don't have any option. Cha, I thought to remove it. Now anyway, sir, someone is playing with me. Now, okay, one more time, I'm just showing it to you, sir. One more time, just focus it, ma. You already have the commands, right? Check it with one by one. I'm gonna type it now. Git init. First command is git. Then second command is git add dot. Git commit some message, sir. Now these three are for git, sir. These three are for git. Then go to your GitHub repository. When you created, see here I can see my link. I can see my link. Can you see this, ma? Copy this link and go here. Git remote add origin and then link. Git remote add origin and then link. It is saying, what is it is saying error? Remote origin already exists. That is right only now. Already I added. But it don't know. I added the same thing earlier also. It won't check like that. It is thinking that you already added one and you are adding new thing. So it's better I already added one. Sir, I don't want the previous one. I want the current one only. Then what you do? Same thing. I will remove it. Git remote remove origin this time. I will just remove my previous one. Now again I will add. Okay. Now this time no error. Earlier when I'm adding what it is saying it, you already added one. So no, No, don't add. Now I just removed the previous one and I added, but no problem because anyway that is same repository na. Clear ma? Now last command git push u origin main. That's it, sir. So now it will push it into your main. What it is saying it? Instead of origin, I put artisan. So it is wrong. Now it just saying that everything is up to date only. So no need to push. Simple. Clear ma? Everyone clear with these things? Download Git, install it, and then create a GitHub account and try to push your code. Do some nice code and put anchor tags, paragraphs, headings, and images. Okay, and we will discuss more and more into anchor tags and all again. Okay, clear ma? Monday onwards we'll do the projects. Main projects will do. Okay, by Monday everyone should complete www project, World Wide Web project. Okay, if it is completed, push it into Git. Okay, yeah, that's it. My any doubts are there, you can ask me. No doubts, boys can leave. Huh.
बना रहा था HTML से
Huh?
मैंने प्रोफाइल बना रहा था
हाँ
HTML से लेकिन मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये जो मैं मतलब फॉर्मेट जो निकला है उसको मैं किसी को ट्रांसफर करना चाहता हूँ प्रोजेक्ट तो उसको कैसे मतलब कौन सा लिंक से ट्रांसफर करूँ
ये पुश ये कोड पुश करा ना, ये लिंक ट्रांसफर करो। ये नहीं होता, ये ट्रांसफर नहीं होता। ऐसा ऐसा करके ट्रांसफर करना। ये इंटरनेट में ऐसा पुश करना, पुश करने के बाद ट्रांसफर करना। गिट में हाँ, नहीं होता। हाँ, సిస్టమ్ లో చేయనా? हाँ, నోట్స్ మండే ఐ విల్ గివ్. మండే క్లాస్ రూమ్స్ విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్. అర్థం కాల. తెలుగు వచ్చు, హిందీ వచ్చు, అన్నీ వచ్చు. చెప్పు నువ్వు. అవును, ఆ వెబ్సైట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ట్రై చేయి, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. ఫ్రీ కోడ్ క్యాంప్, ఫ్రీ కోడ్ క్యాంప్, ఫ్రీ కోడ్ క్యాంప్. పెట్టచ్చు. అర్థం కాల. నువ్వేమంటున్నావు అంటే, ఇక్కడ నేను ఇమేజ్ పెట్టాను కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ మై పీడిఎఫ్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ మై పీడిఎఫ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇమేజ్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నావా, ఇక్కడ డౌన్లోడ్ అయ్యేది ఇమేజ్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నావా? ఐఎంజీ ట్యాగ్ పెట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఐఎంజీ ఉందా, ఈ ఐఎంజీని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ పెడతా ఈ మధ్యలో. అప్పుడు ఐఎంజీ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇది ఓపెన్ అయింది. ఫ్రీ కోడ్ క్యాంప్. గిట్ హబ్ లో ఒక ఈమెయిల్ ఉంటుందా, గిట్ హబ్ ఈమెయిల్ అడిగితే ఇవ్వు అంతే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో. ఓకే, నీకు గుర్తుండి పర్సనల్ అనే కాదు, నువ్వు ఒక ఈమెయిల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని పెట్టుకో, కాకపోతే గుర్తు పెట్టుకో అవి. అదే అఫీషియల్ గా ఒకటే మెయింటైన్ చేయండి, రెండు మూడు క్రియేట్ చేయకండి అంతే.